On our channel, we'll be posting videos on health and well-being every month.
You nicked my line. She nicked my line, didn't you? Hi, I'm Jazz.
And I'm Rashpal.
I'm a health coach.
And I'm a well-being and life skills trainer. We've worked with nearly 1,000 people over the last 12 years, delivering group and individual programs which have helped them to improve their health and live their best lives.
We specialise in recovery from chronic conditions and mental health issues and help you find practical solutions to be well. On our channel, we'll be posting videos on health and well-being every month.
You'll get information and step-by-step guides on physical, mental and emotional health, and you'll learn how to improve your health and be well.
So be sure to subscribe for new content.
And comment below to introduce yourself, or just give us your ideas and suggestions for videos that you'd like to see.